how to deposit funds on Interactive Brokers. So there are three different methods of depositing funds. The first one is going to be bank wire, a one-time setup of a wire template at your bank to transfer funds from your bank to your IBKR account. And here's how it works in some overview. You can trade as quickly as 1 business day or less, depending on your bank. It is determined, or the fees are determined by your bank. Generally, fees do apply. And the different steps that you have to do is notify IBKR of each deposit and contact your bank to send the wire, and there is no limit on the amounts. You can also link a new bank account. So link a new bank account for seamless deposits. Transfer time and deposit limits are determined by your bank again. So depending on the transfer method, funds may be available instantly, or they can take more than 4 days. And there are no fees, so it's going to be free. You will have to provide your banking information to link your bank account, and then enter the deposit amount and confirm the request, which in my opinion is the easiest method. And another method of how you can deposit money is here through Wise Balance. You can link your Wise profile and then initiate a fund transfer from your Wise multi-currency account to IBKR, and it converts your funds into an IBKR supported currency and transfers the funds into your account. You can trade within hours. It charges you for the currency conversion and provide transaction details to review currency specific fees. And you can use your IBKR account to initiate fund transfers from Wise. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.